Students in the Duluth Public School District also begin classes after Labor Day, but a new school district event is scheduled for this coming Monday at Bayfront Park. Unity in the Community will bring together students and their families from across the district school buildings for a fun day at the park. Here to tell us more about that event and the upcoming school year is John Magas, Superintendent of Duluth Public Schools. And Superintendent, welcome. Thanks for making time in what must be a really busy time of the year for you.
Oh, it's a pleasure to be here.
Thank you.
Let's just start out by talking about this Unity in the Community event. It's something new. What is it going to look like, and what's the goal?
Sure. So this is what we hope will be the first of many Unity in the Community events each year, as a welcome back to school and also an opportunity to really celebrate education as well as the unity amongst all our schools in the community in Duluth. Duluth is one city, one community, and we want to make sure that we're bringing everybody together to celebrate. So it'll be a big fun event down at Bayfront. We'll have bands, we'll have music, we'll have I'll be in a dunk tank. We'll have lots of booths with information, haircuts for kids, free food, all kinds of things. It's going to be really a wonderful opportunity for people to launch the school year all together.
John, as far as the school year is concerned, is there anything new or different this year that people should be aware of?
Well, I think, knock on wood, I think we're really hoping that it's going to be much more of a normal school year as far as COVID and other things go. It seems that that's the direction.
Back to more norm.
Exactly. So we're looking forward to having. We'll still be practicing some safe standards, but I think that we'll be relatively mask-free, except for people that want to wear them. But it's also going to be a year of intense focus on student learning. Last year we had a very robust strategic operational plan for the year, but much of the work that we were planning to put on place was delayed a bit because of the staffing shortages and other issues.
Speaking of student learning, the Minnesota Department of Education has identified Duluth Public School District as struggling academically, specifically that about 50% of the students in the district are not reading, are not doing math, are not doing science at their grade level. How concerning is that for you?
I think it's always concerning. I think it creates urgency around the work that needs to be done. I think that the schools and districts that were identified were schools that have always had populations that have been historically underserved by schools. So it's up to us as a state and as a country and as a school district to really focus on those schools. It's also important that the state consider what they need to do related to funding. I know that the legislature was considering special session, and it would be really great if they could come back to finish the funding so we could also focus more on those learning gaps.
John, tell us about the new contract approved with the teachers union.
Sure. So that was approved a while back, but we had worked through a 2-year contract with our teachers involving a 2.25 increase in salary for 2 years in a row, as well as some longevity stipends to make sure that we were retaining people and making sure that our staffing levels were remaining good. I think the negotiation process was challenging for many districts last year. I think it's been a very hard time for our teachers, very hard time for educators across the country, and some of the struggles that we saw with the negotiations there were similar here. But this year we're focusing very much on our labor management agreements and our work with our various bargaining units.
So are you retaining people?
Yeah, we are working very hard on the retaining issues. We're in a much better spot than we were last year with recruiting and retaining, but we could always use more. And I think that's something really important for our public to know. You might not be considering being a substitute or being a bus driver or something like that, but it can also be viewed as contributing to the civic value of the community, helping out the schools even just for a few months.
The school board recently approved a purchase agreement for the sale of Central High School. That has to be a huge relief for you.
Yes, I think it really indicates the direction of the district, both financially and as far as being able to support the longevity of some of the buildings we have in the downtown region, like the historic old Central building. We are going to be building a district services center in the back area of the property, the less desirable, not the great views of Lake Superior, but it's still going to be a great place for us to support our schools. And that really will bring more resources to our students and allow us to have great economic development there for the city as well.
With COVID still alive in the community, are extracurricular activities pretty much back to normal at the schools?
Yes, they're primarily back. Some of the extra activities that we've had for community are a little bit struggling just because of the lack of custodial support that we have right now. So once again, staffing, just like we see in restaurants around town and things like that, it's hard for us to have those same levels of workers there that allow us to open up our schools to community organizations.
All right, well, thank you for coming in. Remember, a Unity in the Community event at Bayfront on Monday, and you're in the dunk tank at what time?
Soon after 4. I'll be talking at 4, and I assume I'll be in the dunk tank right after.
Thank you, John.
Thank you. My pleasure.